Good morning everyone, welcome back to Stable Lease. This is Connor and today we're going to take a look at the interior of the brand new Audi RS7 Sportback. This is a 4-litre V8 Tiptronic Quattro engine and it will produce 600 horsepower and it offers a 0 to 62 time of 3.6 seconds. Not bad at all. But it's the interior we're here to focus on, so let's get right into it. First things first guys, let's take a look at the wheel. Now as standard guys, what we're going to get on the wheel is a flat bottom multi-function steering wheel. This is the only option available. There is no downgrade, upgrade, but we know what, looking at it, this is absolutely perfect. As standard, it comes with the gear shift paddles, very fun to use. It's got a very nice feel to it. RS logo at the bottom, love it. There's just something about a flat bottom steering wheel I just love. It's a very nice wheel guys, very nice to touch. One of the great features of the wheel guys is the RS mode button over here. What if we give that a touch? Now what you'll see on the dashboard, what we can immediately see is the rev counter and the power percentage reading and the torque percentage reading. It's really cool and it's really good fun to use. So as well as that, on the left section guys, you can pretty much choose what you want. So if you scroll through here, first things first, you've got your tyre pressure indication. Scroll through, you've got your radio indication. Any notes that you have. And you can actually select your map as well, which is, so this interface is really cool. It's going to be really handy to use when you're cruising around in this beast. So if we go back off RS mode, brings you back to your original interface. So you got your rev counter and your speed. In the center, you got your map there as well. So very handy dashboard, very handy steering wheel. Okay, moving on guys, let's go on to the center here. Now I don't know if this is coming across in the camera, but you've got the matte finish in the center console here. So from here, we've got our handbrake and we've got our gear lever here. It's really comfortable to hold, really ergonomic feel. It's fantastic, really good attention to detail from Audi here. Moving on to the center armrest guys, if we open this up, now we've got a couple of handy features here. So we've actually got a SIM card port, an SD card port, and 2 very handy USB ports. Really handy to have there guys. And also finally, we've got a wireless phone charging section. Now this is actually standard on the RS7. I don't know if anyone's ever used one of these, but they're really handy to use. It's a really nice touch. Now let's move on to the upholstery guys. Now as standard, what you're going to get is the RS logo embedded front sport seats. Really nice touch on the RS7. And these actually come with seat ventilation on the honeycomb design there. Really nice, really comfortable. Now as standard guys, what you're going to get is a free choice of black on black, black on grey, or brown on grey. As I said, they're all standard. And as well with these seats, what you're going to get is a power adjustable lumbar support, which is really nice to use, really nice touch. And on a side note as well guys, each of the seats come with their own separate heaters, which is really handy to use. So moving on guys, let's go to the dual screen layout here. This is really ergonomic, really nice to use. Goes really well with the layout guys, doesn't it go really well with the dash? It's really nice. So we've got a very nice layout here, very easy to use. So obviously radio, media, telephone, navigation. So if we go on here, and it brings up your MMI navigation, no problems at all. Very handy to use. So go on search feature, here we are at Audi. Thanks for letting us use the car guys. So from there you can enter your destination easy as pie. So we go back. So moving on from there guys, your climate control. So if we turn that back on, so you've got 2-zone air conditioning there, which is really nice. Great feature to have. You turn that back off. And as I said earlier guys, the matte finish doesn't just apply to the center console, it applies on the front here. It's really good attention to detail from Audi. It's a really classy layout. As I said before guys, it's classic Audi, it's typical Audi, but like, there's nothing wrong with that at all. It's fantastic, it's a really nice layout. And I'm absolutely loving it. And let's take a quick look at the back guys, get the same attention to detail on the back seats. The RS embedded honeycomb leather seats. And the nicest touch of them all guys in the back, get your own touch screen air conditioning control. How cool is that? Has anyone ever seen this in the back seat before? Set your own temperature, set your power of the fan. Attention to detail in this car is just exquisite, I love it. Finally, to round it off, you get 2 USB ports at the back. So to round it off guys, you get 4 USB ports. That's really handy, really convenient to use. As I said, guys, you get the same level of attention to detail in the back as you do in the front, which is a really, really nice touch. So go ahead and turn that off. It's really easy to use, and I'm loving it. So thanks very much for joining us, guys. We sincerely do appreciate it. We really hope you enjoyed the interior of the brand new Audi RS7 Sportback. It is just exquisite, to say the least. Don't forget to drop us a like and a comment. Let us know what you think. We want to hear from you. Thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you again soon.